So I selected here. Hello everyone, this is Mrunal and welcome to my channel Front Look. After that heavy makeup look which I had uploaded before, what I realized that many of us don't have that much product, or they don't have much time to create that heavy makeup look, or they don't like heavy makeup look. Today I'm gonna tell you how to create that heavy makeup look in just a minimal product, like only foundation, powder, Kajal pencil and lipstick. And yes, this is the best part of this video, that every girl owns these 4 products like foundation, powder, eyeliner, not eyeliner, Kajal pencil and lipstick. And the other thing is, it's very hard to go outside because of corona, so there is no point to wear heavy makeup at all. But if you like to wear heavy makeup, then you can. But this is just another option to all those girls who don't like that heavy makeup, or they don't have much time to create heavy makeup. Another interesting thing about this video is I'm gonna share with you some hacks which really helpful to you, so keep watching my video till the end. Here I'm done with my skincare routine, that is I wash my hair using my regular face wash, then tone it and then moisturize it. I apply 2 layers of moisturizer because I want my moisturizer to work as a base. So it's really important to do these 3 steps before applying anything onto your face. But don't be confused that this is the part of makeup. This is not part of makeup, this is the part of skincare. So now moving towards the actual makeup, I'm taking here one liquid foundation. You can take any liquid foundation or any BB cream or CC cream and applying directly to my face. I don't found such a big difference in foundation and in BB cream. I think both are the same, just the difference is in consistency. BB cream have running in consistency while foundation have thick in consistency. Now as you can see, I'm applying this using my fingers because every girl don't have the beauty blender, so just use your hand to apply foundation. As you can see, this foundation is not capable to hide my dark circle, so I'm just taking another layer and applying under my eyes and over my eyelids and blending it using my finger again. Now I think this is okay wala coverage. Now the next product is powder. I'm taking it on my hand and just applying same as a foundation using my hand. So you can use any powder which you have. Now the next product is lipstick. I'm selecting here pink lipstick because every girl have pink lipstick. But if you don't have pink lipstick, then no worry, use whatever you have. Sorry for that awkward faces. And now you can use this same lipstick onto your eyelid as an eyeshadow. So I'm doing the same. This is the hacks. If you don't have much more products, then no worry, you can apply any product anywhere on face. So I'm doing the same. Now blend it nicely using your finger. So I'm blending it. And whatever product left, you can use it as a blush, but I'm not gonna do it because I will ended up looking like pinky ponky, which I don't want. Now the 4th and last product is Kajal pencil. Use this Kajal pencil to fill your eyes and eyebrows. Now you can see I use cream based product, that is my kajal, and my lipstick is cream based product. So to set this creamy product, I'm gonna use my same powder to set all this makeup. So this is the hack for you. If you apply any creamy product onto your face, so you have to set this product using your regular same powder and applying over my eyelid and on my eyebrows also. Powder might be lighten up your shade, but that's okay. It will really helpful to stay your makeup so long. So don't forget to set all your creamy product using powder, and whatever left behind you can use it on to your T-zone to highlight your area. So this is my final look. I hope you enjoy watching this video using just only 4 products which every girl have. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then hit that like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to forward this to all your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, stay beautiful because front look matters. Bye.